This is Foretold Plaza, situated along Port Harcourt Expressway and beside New Kenyatta Market here in Enugu, Nigeria. I'm just going to go inside to show you how the shops are partitioned, the prices, and every information you need to know. If you are looking for a shop to buy and then you let it out to collect annual rent, then you are welcome to the best. Stick around because I'm going to give you the whole information you need to know about this plaza. So as you can see, this one is so spacious. This one is actually an office space. Okay, this is an office space. You have seen the ground floor, and this is the office space, majorly for institutions. So we're going to have financial institution right in here. So this is an office space, and downstairs as well. So I'm going to show you other places. Okay. Okay, this is a single shop. Let me show you the size of a single shop. Okay, look at it. And this one is 3-in-1 shop. Okay, you saw the way it is partitioned. It's 3-in-1 shop. You can take the 3 shops if you have the money. You can as well take just 1. We have seen the office space, we have seen a single shop, and we have seen a 3-in-1 shop. Let's now go and look at the restroom, because there's a beautiful space mapped out for restrooms. Okay, just the way malls are managed, ShopRite, Spa, the way the restroom is managed, that is the same plan for this place. So there's a place mapped out where the restroom are being built. Okay, so let's go and see it, see the work currently ongoing there. This is where the restroom is. Okay, let me go inside to show you the space. All right. So the plan for the restroom is, we have the male, we have the female, and there's going to be an office for the person to be managing it, the person that will be taking care of it, just like malls are being managed, right? So they have a very good plan for this plaza. Okay. Meanwhile, the people to make use of this restroom are those that do not have restroom in their own shop. The space for office has a restroom, while some of the shops do not have any restroom. So for those that do not have restroom, like this shop here, this particular building do not have any restroom, so they are going to make use of here, and some other buildings that do not have restroom will make use of here. But spaces for the offices and some other exclusive shops, they have restroom inside their own shop. So for those that do not have restroom, they are going to make use of this place. You have seen it all. You have seen the 3-in-1 shop, you have seen the single shops, and you have seen the space for office use. Okay, it's now left for you to know the one you can afford. But I would advise, if you want to buy here, this is the right time, because some of the buildings are already sold up. Like this particular building is sold up. Most of the buildings are sold up already. You have just few buildings and few shops remaining to be sold. So I am your best friend and your real estate consultant here in the Southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Love it, Aneke. Call or WhatsApp me immediately to secure a space for you here on 0803 743 5005. Until I come your way again, bye for now.